Credentials, please. Thank you.
So let's go very quickly. Quickly. Wait, please, quickly, my friends.
Building, please raise your hand for me.
My friend.
If you're building, please raise your hand for me. Builders, raise your hand. If you're not building, that's okay. Builders, raise your hand.
Builder, right here.
Keep going.
Station.
Builders, keep your hands raised for me.
Girls, raise your hands.
Wait, if you're not building, you're just watching? Yeah.
Hey, Nora. Nora.
Awesome. Hold on, we're
Nora.
separated.
Over here.
How do you hold down one more?
One more here. This is
And then one more.
you say this stuff.
Most of them. Welcome, builders. Welcome to our workshop. I want to apologize for being rather short with you and rushing you in outside. I just had to be short and there were no stormtroopers around. You see, if they were to walk into our office, all they would see is the junk in there. But to us, to those of us who know, junk means everything. I have Tyler. I have Carla. I am Andy. And together, we humbly call ourselves gatherers. As gatherers, we travel to far-off places such as abandoned planets, forgotten outposts, and destroyed starships in search of ancient relics to bring back here for you. See, we are trying to preserve our history so we may ensure our future. And much like our history, we are in troubled times. Have we all heard the call from General Leia Organa? She's looking for hope. Hope like we've seen in legendary Luke Skywalker. And now, our newest Jedi. Does anyone happen to know her name?
Ray.
Ray, yes. Ray is our spark of hope. Luke and Ray answered the call, as have all of you. You're also here for another reason. To build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber is elegant and mysterious. To build a lightsaber is an art form. They've been held by our greatest of heroes and our strongest of foes. It is what connects the Caesar to the Force. And as with everything, the lightsaber has a beginning. The kyber crystal. The kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of your crystal is going to depict the color of your blade. It takes the Force and magnifies it. I'm going to show you 4 colors today. You will likely recognize them from some of your favorite legends. Let's begin with the blue kyber crystal. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now gray. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. Red, the crystal of power, Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. Enough about those legends in the past. Today's about you, builders, yes? Possibly. Now please do me a favor. I want you all to close your eyes. Close them. I can see you. I can see. What kyber crystal calls to you? What's that first color you see? It's going to resonate with you. That is going to be your kyber crystal. Now please do me a favor. Open your eyes and grab your kyber crystal. crystal, please place it on the green pad in front of you. We have not yet stabilized them.
Oh, right on the green.
Beautiful green pad, please. Now I'm sure you're wondering where your kyber crystal is going to go. Don't fret. My fellow gatherers and I are now going to come around with the pieces for your hilt that you previously selected today. Now I know this looks like a lot of junk, and trust me, it is. But we will go over all these pieces together. You see, the hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the control center. And it's going to ensure that your hands are safe from any type of disintegration that may occur. Now, while each design is unique, we do have one similar piece. That's going to be your chassis. The chassis is going to house your kyber crystal. You have your grip, your emitter, your pommel, and your activation plate. Now, should you need any assistance during this build, my fellow gatherers and I are going to be here to assist you. Builders, are we ready? All right. Let us build.
Builders, first thing you want
Grab
to
your
do
chassis.
is grab your chassis and
Grab
put
your
your
kyber
kyber crystal inside.
You're going to find a bit of a...
First thing you want to do is put your kyber crystal inside. The top of your chassis is the spring. You can pull that out to make space for your crystal. If you need any assistance, please let me know. Once you put your kyber crystal inside, it's going to light up and make sound.
Once you have your kyber crystal in, you're going to pick out your activation
Are
plate.
you ready to move
Last
on?
row, activation
You have
plate.
blue and red
You're going to
tabs.
find on your activation plate your red square and then your squares. That's the
Your
two squares that are on
activation
your chassis. Red
Inside
on
your
red, blue
activation
on blue.
plates, you have blue and red tabs. You're going to match red to red, blue to blue. Your activation plates, inside they have red and blue. You're going to match red to red, blue to blue. Do you need assistance?
The point here and goes.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Go ahead and select your activation plates. You're going to match red to red, blue to blue. Okay? First, we're going to put your kyber crystal. If you're ready to move on, go ahead and select.
Now let's move on to picking two of your four grips. On your grips, you're going to find the
You
zipper
have
end.
four
The
choices.
zipper end is going to always point towards your kyber
Top
crystal.
and bottom.
How do you activate it?
I'm sorry?
Yes, two of them. And the thicker bands on them are always point towards your kyber crystal.
So on your chassis, there is a red and a blue square. We're going to start your activation. So at row 5, there is a red square and a blue square that matches the red.
Now, once you have selected the two grips, one emitter for the top of your blade and a pommel for the end.
So make sure that this is on top of the blue and red is on top of the red.
Yeah, it's
Go ahead and select your red to red, blue to blue. Red to red, blue to blue. Now I'm sorry. It's a little hard.
You've done this before.
First time. These look exactly the same to me.
We have a newer gatherer since back. Go ahead and choose the grip that you want on top of it. You have four on your grips, the thicker band is always going to go towards the middle. Thicker band towards the middle.
You guys want anything to line up in the back?
So, get a little torque. Take these pieces off. These go on.
I don't think so.
Oh.
Those you need to match. Pretty cool. That's what your kyber crystals are. That one's a
Oh, Sean's different.
Next, you're gonna choose
Yeah.
one over the top, one over the bottom. That's what it sounds like.
Okay, so can I
Now,
mix
these you can mix and match. Yeah.
Once you're ready to activate, this is gonna be your switch.
Just two.
Alright.
Let me take this out of your way. You can place it in your hilt holder whenever you're ready.
Make sure the sticker is facing the center. Correct.
I like the storytelling.
Yeah. And I bet every one of these things says something special too.
I like how she referred to them as legends. It's not adventures. I don't consider them legends.
I don't know if you can hear that, but our one over there with the scary face on it, it says dead inside, do not disturb.
Oh, that's not good.
I like it.
Now, builders, if you have not already done so, please ensure your hilt is on the hilt holder. I'm going to ask you all to take a very large step back now, as far back as you can go. My fellow gatherers are going to come around, and they're going to place the hilt into the crystal stabilization chamber. Now, this should only ever be done by a practiced hand, or there could be repercussions and damage. Only happen once, Amy. Never live it down. Carla, how do you feel?
Confidence.
And Tyler?
I said I'm not trained. That's very true.
This is only her third day.
It's not trying to that.
Probably well. You can get more candles. As you can tell by the hole.
Sometimes these hilts are too strong.
So much power. I heard the fork. I love forks. I have a fork sanctuary everywhere.
Pork and beans are delicious.
Tyler! Hey, elders and Tyler, say hello.
I didn't do anything.
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, the force must be strong in this room. Now, elders, it is time. In a moment, I will ask us all to step forward together. Place the hand on your hilt and activate as one force bond. Now, please take a step forward. Hand on your hilt. Deep breath. Activate. Raise your lightsabers high! You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now please deactivate and lower. Congratulations.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, you can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. You have all built lightsabers that are as unique and as beautiful as each of you are. Now in your hands, though, you do hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your saber, we're pleased to present you with the saber sheath as you depart.
Oh my.
Now our time together is sadly at an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Who knows? Perhaps next time we will be telling your stories. But until then, till the spire!
Till the spire. Till the spire. Thanks